Welcome to Side Hustle Mastery. Earn $500 weekly. Today, we'll break down 5 proven strategies to boost your income without skills. First, online tutoring. Teach math or English for $100/hour. Platforms like VIP Kid or Proply pay $100/hour. A tutor named Lisa earned $500 in 5 hours by teaching 5 sessions. Next, freelancing. Design logos, write copy, or code websites. Fiverr and Upwork pay $50, $150/hour. Sarah, a graphic designer, made $2,000 in a month by freelancing 10 hours weekly. Third, dropshipping. Sell trendy items on Shopify. Products cost $10, sell for $20, profit $10. Use AliExpress for low prices. Alex, a dropshipper, made $500 in 2 weeks by selling vintage jewelry. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Promote products via YouTube or TikTok. Earn 10% commissions. A YouTuber with 50K subscribers made $500/month promoting fitness gear. Fifth, selling handmade crafts. Use Instagram to sell jewelry or candles. Price items 50% above cost. Maya Crafter made $1,000 in a month by selling 100 candles at $10 each. Track expenses with Excel. Prioritize tasks: 2 hours on Monday, 2 on Wednesday, 1 on Friday. Consistency beats intensity. Start small, scale fast. You're not just working, you're building a side income. Ready to level up? Let's go.